Okay, so in this video, we need to work out the sum of the perimeter and the area of this triangle. Now remember that we want to figure out the sum of the perimeter and the area. That is the key word, the sum of the perimeter and the area. Now, if you look at it carefully, you can't easily work out the area because you don't know the height. Okay, you don't know the height, and of course you can't even find the perimeter again because you still don't have the height. So we are going to look at a bit of I don't know what to say. Will it be like we're going to do some manipulation here to and how we can work out the heights? And the best way to do that is, well, let's call the height here h. Okay, and to find the height you would have to use something called the Pythagoras theorem. And the Pythagoras theorem states that the sum of the squares of the two shorter sides is equals to the length of the longest side. So we know that if you have to work it out carefully, you'll notice that here definitely going to be 10 squared, which will be equal to 8 squared plus 8 squared. And you know 10 squared is 100, and 8 squared is definitely going to be 64. So now we have to subtract 60 from both sides. So definitely there's going to be 36. But that's when we subtract, okay? And 8 squared. And now to figure out the h, the height, we have to square root both sides. So the square root of 36 definitely will be 6. So now we know what h here would be, which is definitely going to be 6 centimeter. So now we know the height. Now we could easily now work out the perimeter and also work out the area, and then we now can add up our results. Now to find, let's look at it. Okay, so let's find the perimeter. Okay, now remember the perimeter simply means you have to add up all the sides of the triangle. So the perimeter here will be 6 plus 10 and plus 8, and of course 6 plus 10 is 16. Add 8, I think that will be 24, I think. Yeah, so we know the perimeter, which is 24. Okay, and then the area. Okay, if you look at the area here, now of course you know the area of the triangle is the base times the height and divide by 2. So the base is 8 times it by the height, which is 6, and of course if you divide your answer by 2, you will get 24. Yeah, I think that will be 24. Yeah, again 24 centimeter. So now that we know the perimeter and also the area, what we needed to do is you add up the two. Okay, you add up the two numbers. Okay, so the sum definitely will now become 24, which is the perimeter of the triangle, and the area, which is again 24. And if you add on 24 plus another 24, you definitely will have 48. Okay, so this is just the way you look at it. Remember the area here is squared. Okay, of course. So now you know that the sum of the perimeter and the area add up to 48. Again, thank you so much, and do have a wonderful time.